Selection and image. A selection is an area of a photo that you define. When you create a selection, the area is editable. For example, you can lighten one part of a photo without affecting the rest. You can make a selection with either a selection tool or a selection command. A selection border, which you can hide, surrounds the selection. You can change, copy, or delete pixels inside the selection border, but you can't touch areas outside the selection border until you deselect the selection. Adobe Photoshop CC provides selection tools for different kinds of selections. For example, the elliptical marquee tool selects circular and elliptical areas, and the Magic Wand tool can select an area of similar colors with one click. More complex selections can be made with one of the lasso tools. You can even smooth the edges of a selection with feathering and anti-aliasing. Select subject. We can automatically select the main subject in a photo with just one click. Photoshop uses Adobe Sensei AI technology to identify a variety of subjects, including people, pets, animals, vehicles, and toys. Follow these steps to access the Select Subject option. Step 1. Open a photo in the document window. Step 2. Choose Select Subject. Step 3. Allow Photoshop a few seconds to automatically select the most prominent subjects in your photo. The selection is visible with a moving, dotted line. In Options bar, select one of the selection brushes and click Add to Selection or Subtract from Selection to edit the selection. You can also choose Select Refine Edge to refine the selection. The selection tools are located in the Tools panel, which is located, by default, on the left side of your screen. Rectangular Marquee tool draws square or rectangular selection borders. Elliptical Marquee tool draws round or elliptical selection borders. Lasso tool draws freehand selection borders, best for precision. Polygonal Lasso tool draws multiple straight-edged segments of a selection border. Magnetic Lasso tool draws a selection border that automatically snaps to edges when you drag over in the photo. Magic Wand tool selects pixels of similar color with one click. Quick Selection tool quickly and automatically makes selection based on color and texture when you click or click-drag an area. Selection Brush tool automatically selects or deselects the area you paint, depending on whether you're in selection or mask mode. Refine Selection Brush tool helps you to add or remove areas to and from a selection. Auto Selection tool automatically makes a selection when you draw a shape around an object. Smart Brush tool applies color and tonal adjustments and effects to a selection. The tool automatically creates an adjustment layer for non-destructive editing.